Namaste Manoj ji, namaste all the
Namaste,
viewers. We are
namaste, namaste, Pankaj ji. Yes,
and so privileged, so pleased to be back with Manoj ji and with
same
all
here.
the audience. We
Yes.
are continuing our series Naturally Musical. We started a series back in time in which we will discuss some of the great legendary songs in which nature, ecology, environment, mountains, rivers, etc. are portrayed in our songs.
Uh-huh.
Manoj ji will perform these songs for us and explain the rags behind these songs, and I will discuss some of the lyrics behind these songs. Yes,
Wow,
Manoj
wow.
ji?
Arey,
तो क्या लाए?
great.
What are the
Sounds like a great plan.
gems that you got? Yes.
Yes,
जी
yes.
बताइए. Yes. Tell
Bilkul.
us which songs have you brought for today's
So
music?
I think, well, I mean, I must tell viewers that Pankaj ji is the one who actually curated the session, kind of. So अभी वो बोल रहे हैं कि मेरे से पूछ रहे हैं but he's the one who's decided the songs. But I
You are
think
the guru, sir.
but I think we'll
Yes.
start with the patriotic song, Pankaj.
All right, fine.
So
Sure,
if we
sure.
can go over the lyrics, then I can sing the song,
Yes.
and that is we're talking about Jai Dharti Maiya Jai Ho, and if you can tell us about the song and then the lyrics, and yeah,
Yes.
yes,
Actually, it's a legendary film. It's one of the earliest films that talked about farmers' issues. In
ah,
fact, I published a paper on this topic in which
ah,
I start with this film called Dharti Ke Lal. Film
अरे वाह,
came in 1946,
wow,
where it was produced, directed by K.A. Abbas, Khwaja Ahmad Abbas, who
wow,
later joined Raj Kapoor in many of his films.
correct,
Great film talking about farmers and famine issues. And the music was given by legendary Pandit Ravi Shankar, Bharat
क्या
Ratna
बात,
Pandit Ravi Shankar.
wow,
And lyricists were so many lyrics: Ali Sardar Jafri,
ah,
Prem Dhawan, a Jain, Nemi Chand Jain, and
wow,
Vamik. These are the lyricists.
huh.
And the song now, Manoj, please perform and let us know the rag and everything. Yes,
Ji,
please.
ji, ji. So this is basically Rag Khamaj, right? Gama padani sa ni dha pa
Wow.
padama pag sa re ga re ga sa यही माटी में जियन हमरो यही मरन है भैया यही पूंजी है हमरो यही धन है भैया हो जय धरती मैया जय हो जय 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 हो
क्या बात है goosebumps. I had such a little bit of goosebump experience as you were singing. So uplifting, so powerful song
and
and lyrics.
right, and especially this particular line, right? यही माटी में जियन हमरो यही मरन है तो ये टिपिकल खमाज है सा सा
Yes.
नी नी ध ध ध प प प प ध नी नी ध प म ग सा रे ग ग सा रे सा ये पूरा खमाज का पिक्चर है ना इट ब्रिंग्स आउट द होल पिक्चर ऑफ खमाज टिपिकल राइट सो
Right. And Manojji, born and grew up in Mumbai, so he's an expert in Malayalam, Marathi, and Hindi. But today he's giving us glimpses of Bhojpuri. This is the way how artists transcend all boundaries of languages or
जी
religion or caste, class, everything,
जी
transcending all those boundaries. So great song, great
यस
lyric. Jai Dharti Maiya Jai Ho.
जी
In many indigenous traditions across the world, and especially in India, Jai Dharti Maiya Jai. As we know, we worship, we revere this land, this motherland, and we sing glory of, we revere, we sing chants of these songs, this land, Jai Dharti Maiya, motherland, Jai
वाह
Dharti Maiya Jai Ho. ये इसी मिट्टी में जीना है, यही मिट्टी में जीना है,
जीना
इसी में मरना है. That is the very common sentiment across India, across the people who are patriotic about India.
करेक्ट
यही हमारी पूंजी है. दिस इज अवर वेल्थ.
वेल्थ
यही हमारा धन है. मिट्टी. देयर इज नो बिगर वेल्थ देन मदरलैंड, which gives us bounty of harvest, which gives us food, which gives us water and everything, which gives us treasures and treasures. जय धरती मैया, गोद में तेरी सुख के सागर मैया.
हाँ हाँ
We receive bliss in your god, in your bosom, right?
वाह
यही
यस
यहीं पे सोना उपजे. We grow gold from here because we get food from you and so on. Yahi pe barste amrit, amrit, the flood, the showering of nectar happens here also because of the rain.
Correct.
Such powerful lyrics, and this reverence, this attachment, this connection to the land is really missed when farmers have to forcefully move from village to Kolkata. That's what is shown in the film because
Wow.
of famine issues and so on, and how they are more distressed in city life. In urban life is even worse than rural life. That is the
Rural life.
picture. That is the story plot of the film. That eventually later becomes Do Biga Zameen by Bimal Roy.
Correct.
So that's how this plot continues.
Wow.
All right, Manoj ji, what's the which is the
So
second song
amazing.
you-
Wow.
Yes, sir.
I think you connected the two movies so brilliantly. Actually, that's so wonderful. Dharti Ke Lal and Do Biga Zameen.
Do Biga Zameen,
Wow,
exactly.
that's so
And
amazing.
then later Lagan and so many others.
Of course, yeah, yes,
yes.
absolutely. So the next one that I was thinking, and as you suggested, was from a very natural rag, so to say, rag Pahadi, right?
Yes.
So rag Pahadi, even the name sounds so natural, right? Because it originates from the mountains of Kashmir, and so many songs in Pahadi. So countless. So the song that we have for today is sung by, I think the singers. In fact, I think I'll leave it to you, Pankaj, to give the details about the song because I think you
Yes.
might be more accurate with that than me.
Sure.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, so yeah, sung by Sulakshana Pandit and Anwar
Anwar.
from
Yes.
the film Thodi Si Bewafai, Mausam Mausam, Lovely Mausam in Rag Pahadi.
Aha. Yes.
And music by Khayyam Sahab,
Ah.
legendary Khayyam Sahab.
And-
lyrics by legendary living legend Guldar Sahab.
Ullah Sahab. And by the way, Pahadi was Khayyam Sahab's favorite rag.
Khayyam Sahab.
Yes. There's so many. Most of his songs are in Pahadi, actually.
Yes.
So
I mean, yes.
so now when you start this rag itself, it gives you a feeling of mountains. Mausam, mausam, lovely mausam. Mausam, mausam, lovely mausam. कसक अनजानी है मध्यम मध्यम, कसक अनजानी है मध्यम मध्यम, चलो घुल जाए मौसम में हम, मौसम मौसम लवली मौसम, मौसम मौसम लवली मौसम.
Wow, wow, wow. Yes.
Yes.
Then next one, एक stanza नहीं, हवा के झोंकों में तेरी खुशबू सी है.
Not sung that
बेवजह लगता है
before.
कोई खुशखबरी सी है. So many other things are also
Oh
mentioned in
wow!
the-
नहीं,
stanza.
अरे वाह! Yes, no, I
So,
think I'll have you say the lyrics because I think the lyrics themselves are so beautiful.
Yes.
Right?
Lyrics are amazing with Guldar Sahab. What can you know, what else can you expect
What
from
else?
Guldar Sahab?
Wow, wow, wow.
So, because Guldar Sahab is writing this song for two, I think, really, really adolescent lovers. So,
Ah.
he's using these English words, lovely moss,
I
and
know.
so on, to just make it feel much younger.
Correct.
And
Yeah.
Kasak Anjani, Madhyam, Madhyam, such a beautiful word. Madhyam,
Word.
Madhyam and Madhyam are two different words.
Correct.
Madhyam means low and subtle. Madhyam
Yes.
means middle.
Middle.
But here the word is Madhyam, that is very slow, Kasak, slow
Thirst, right?
enchanting,
Enchanting.
or slow sentiment, very subtle sentiment about the weather that generates in these lovers, and so
Right.
they are saying the breeze brings the fragrance of you, right? And as
Yes.
if good news is coming without any reason,
Yeah.
right? The spontaneous good news as you come as a breeze to me. So there are
Wow.
such amazing lyrics. Then Kali ke hoton mein so the flower buds are smiling,
अरे वाह!
right? And then again same the Mausam, lovely Mausam, and then that is how this love for nature and romantic love, they sort of overlap and merge with each other. So that
Wow.
is that was our second song.
अरे वाह!
Right, sir.
Wow, wow, wow.
Now the third
so,
song. Yes.
So beautiful, so beautiful.
Yes.
Third song. Okay, now this is Pankaj Ji's song, so I think I am going to hand it over totally to him. He is going to not only explain the lyrics of the song, I think what I would request you to do is if you can say the lyrics first and then if you can sing it for us. That would be
Sure.
perfect climax.
This is much recent song from the
Yes.
legendary film Lagan, the last Oscar-nominated film from India. Lagan.
Is it not
in
from
2001.
Swades?
I'm
Ye
sorry,
Tara
I'm
Wo
sorry.
Tara?
Yes,
हाँ.
Lagan के बाद Swades, I think.
Swades, हाँ, Swades,
Same
yeah.
team, same team.
Same
I'm
team,
sorry.
same team, yes.
Yes, written by Javed Akhtar Saab, music by A.R. Rahman Saab,
Yes.
sung by Udit Narayan ji, and portrayed, acted by Shah Rukh Khan. And so the lyrics goes like this. We all know this song so well. ये तारा वो तारा हर तारा देखो जिसे भी लगे प्यारा ये सब साथ में हैं जो रात में तो सब साथ तो जगमगाया आसमान सारा. Then the stanza really so interesting and there is a really important word here also. तुमने देखी है धनक तो बोलो रंग कितने हैं. Now so many singers, so many people mispronounce dhanak with dhanush. Totally different. Dhanak means rainbow. Dhanush means an ordinary bow and arrow.
Right.
So dhanak is dhanak. It is not dhanush. It is not something else. Dhanak means rainbow. So if the singer or the performer is asking, lyricist is asking, तुमने देखा है धनक. Actually, it should have been तुमने. There is I think a little mistake in how they sang it. The line should be तुमने देखा है धनक तो. If you have seen rainbow, tell me how many colors are in the rainbow. So then the singer replies, lyricist replies, yes, there are 7 colors, but they are all together. Because they are all together, we have this rainbow. If they were all separate, there wouldn't have been any rainbow.
Right.
So the lyricist is teaching us that if we come together, एक ना हम हो पाए तो अन्याय से लड़ने को होगी कोई जनता ही नहीं. 7 रंग कहने को फिर भी संग कितने हैं. समझो सबसे पहले तो रंग होते अकेले तो इंद्रधनुष बनता ही नहीं. एक ना हम हो पाए तो अन्याय से लड़ने को होगी कोई जनता ही नहीं. फिर ना कहना कि निर्बल क्यों है हारा. निर्बल तो हारेगा ही अगर साथ में नहीं आए तो. कितना अमेजिंग, सो ब्यूटीफुली Javed Akhtar Saab has written this. So basically he's teaching us, he's telling us that just as all 7 colors come together to become a rainbow, we all underprivileged people should come together and fight with the injustice. That is basically the first stanza. Second stanza. बूंद बूंद मिलने से बनता एक दरिया. Right? All the droplets come together and become a river. बूंद बूंद सागर है वरना सागर क्या. बूंद बूंद the droplets become, when they come together, they also become ocean. So the riddle, समझो इस पहेली को, बूंद हो अकेली तो एक बूंद जैसे कुछ भी नहीं. So solve this riddle, understand this puzzle, that if a drop is separate, is alone, there is nothing like a sea or a river. Right? So हम औरों को छोड़ें तो, मुंह सबसे मोड़ें तो, तन्हा रहना जाए देखो हम कहीं. If we all turn away from each other, we will be left alone. We will have no unity. So we will be all powerless. So क्यों ना बने मिलके हम एक धारा, ये तारा वो तारा. So we should all come together and become a stream of power. That is what we learn. We should learn from droplets. That's what we should learn from colors and from the stars in the sky. That stars come together and spread light. That is basically the song. And then there is one more last stanza. जो किसान हल संभाले. See this theme of धरती के लाल to धोबी का जमीन to लगान to स्वदेश.
Right?
What Javed Saab is writing is, जो किसान हल संभाले, धरती सोना ही उगाए, जो ग्वाला गैया पाले, दूध की नदी बहाए. If farmers are plowing the land, they turn land into gold. They turn, by their harvest, they turn land into gold. And ग्वाला गैया पाले, if the milkmen are taking care of cattle properly, they will have the rivers of milk.
Wow.
Right? So जो लोहार लोहा ढाले, if an ironsmith is working well with his iron and his tools, हर औजार ढल जाए. He can make all kinds of instruments and so on.
Wow.
मिट्टी जो कुम्हार उठा ले, मिट्टी प्याला बन जाए. Similarly, soil can be turned into beautiful pots. सब ये रूप है मेहनत के, कुछ करने की चाहत के, किसी का किसी से कोई बैर नहीं. If we remove all kinds of animosity, we all can turn our dreams into reality. By our hard work and labor. सबके एक ही सपने, सोचो तो सब अपने. We are all together. We have all similar dreams. कोई किसी से यारा गैर नहीं. We are not
different from
not against each other. We are not unknown or strangers to each other.
Right.
सीधी बात है, समझो यारा ये तारा वो तारा. So that is the whole song. Amazing song. Javed Saab got Filmfare Award or I think National Award for this lyrics for this song. Very rightly said. Right? Such a legendary song.
It's a legendary song. And of course, based on Rag Kalavati, right? So,
Yes, to Rag Kalavati.
so Kalavati is also a very interesting rag because it gives a feeling of liveliness, power, right? And it kind of infuses a feeling of enthusiasm in you when you listen to the. जैसे Sagapadani Dhapagasa
Wow.
Dhani Sagapadani Dasa Dhani Sagasani Dhapagani Dhapaga Pagasani Saga. So this is the tune in which Rahman Saab has composed this. So Pankaj ji, go for it.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Yes.
ये तारा वो तारा हर तारा, ये तारा वो तारा हर तारा, देखो जिसे भी लगे प्यारा, ये तारा वो तारा हर तारा, ये सब साथ में जो है रात में तो जगमगाया आसमान सारा, ये सब साथ में जो है रात में तो जगमगाया आसमान तारा, जगमग तारे दो तारे नौ तारे सौ तारे जगमग सारे, हर तारा है शरारा। तुमने देखा है धनक तो बोलो रंग कितने हैं, सात रंग कहने को फिर भी संग कितने हैं, समझो सबसे पहले तो रंग होते अकेले तो इंद्रधनुष बनता ही नहीं, एक न हम हो पाए तो अन्याय से लड़ने को होगी कोई जनता ही नहीं, फिर न कहना निर्बल है क्यों हारा 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 तारा, ये तारा वो तारा हर तारा, ये तारा वो तारा हर तारा, देखो जिसे भी लगे प्यारा, ये तारा वो तारा हर तारा, ये सब साथ में जो है रात में तो जगमगा आसमान सारा, जगमग तारे दो तारे नौ तारे सौ तारे जगमग सारे, हर तारा है शरारा। Thank you.
वाह, बढ़िया बढ़िया बढ़िया, so nice. Wow. Yeah, and as I said, the rag chosen and the lyrics, it just conveys the meaning so beautifully, right? So, yeah, so nice. So, wow.
All right.
So,
and then the next song. Yes.
Yeah, the final one for today is talking about spring season, and the song is Pankaj ji.
Yes.
It is
Chham Chham Nachat
Nachat
Aayi
Aayi
Bahar.
Bahar,
From
yes.
the film Chhaya, 1961 film. By Rishikesh Mukherjee, Rishida.
अरे क्या बात है.
And music by Salil Chaudhary, Salil Da. Written by Rajendra Krishan.
Krishan ji,
Sung
yeah.
by Lata Mangeshkar.
Yes.
Yes.
And if you can just go the lyrics also, and then
Okay, sure.
I can.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Chham Chham Nachat Aayi Bahar. Chham Chham Nachat Aayi Bahar. पाट पाट ने ली अंगड़ाई, झूम रही है डार डार. So basically the lyricists, the singers, the performers are celebrating the arrival of Bahar, the spring season, right? So part part ne li angadai, as if every part of nature is taking different turns, and every branch of every tree is dancing. Then mahak rahi phulwari nikhri kyari kyari, every flower is fragrant and every flower pot is also blooming, right?
Yes.
Phool phool par joban aaya, the youth is can be seen, is manifested on every flower. Kali kali ne kiya singar, every bird is decorated, right? And chham chham nachat aayi bahar, man matwara dole jane kya bole. Our minds are getting intoxicated, and it is saying some random things. Nayi naveli asha jagi, we are full of new hopes, new expectations. Jhumat manwa bar bar, our mind is dancing. Chham chham nachat aayi bahar, chham chham nachat aayi bahar.
Wow.
Yes.
Arey wah.
Yes.
Badhiya. So as the word suggests, chham chham nachat aayi bahar, and the rag is also bahar, right?
Rag bahar.
So sa ma pa ga ma ni da ni sa रे सा रे ग रे सा ni sa ध ni sa ni pa ni ni pa ma pa pa ga ma ग म प ग म रे सा म प ग म रे ध ni sa. Right? And then in the stanzas there is going to be a slight touch of rag basant, which is also signifying spring. And when that happens, you will actually see the difference, hear the difference in the two lines that I'll be singing in the stanzas. So one line each in the two stanzas. So let's see if you can guess when the change happens. Otherwise, predominantly the song is based on Rag Bahar. छम छम नाचत आई बहार, छम छम नाचत आई बहार, पात पात ने ली अंगड़ाई, झूम रही है डार डार, छम छम नाचत आई बहार, छम छम नाचत आई बहार, महक रही फुलवारी, निखरी क्यारी क्यारी, महक रही फुलवारी, निखरी क्यारी क्यारी, फूल फूल पर जो बन आया, कली कली ने किया सिंगार, छम छम नाचत आई बहार, छम छम नाचत आई बहार, मन मतवारा डोले, जाने क्या क्या बोले, मन मतवारा डोले, जाने क्या क्या बोले, नई नवेली आशा जागी, झूमत मनवा बार बार, छम छम नाचत आई बहार, पात पात ने ली अंगड़ाई, झूम रही है डार डार, छम छम नाचत, छम छम नाचत, छम छम नाचत आई बहार.
वाह 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 वाह, सुपर. जैसे हमने as you switched from Bahar to Basant.
हाँ,
So beautiful, so subtle, so
बिल्कुल
amazing.
बिल्कुल, yes, thank you.
And you might want to remind that film Basant Bahar, which has, I think, title song also in these
I
two
know
tracks.
Ketki Gulab, yes, which we had taken in our first. In fact, that was the song with which we began our series, right? So,
Yes, yes, yes.
absolutely,
That
absolutely,
thing- That series was appreciated. Was so many thousands and thousands of viewers have watched our
Absolutely.
series, and we are encouraged by that series. So we started this new second series now.
absolutely,
Focusing on
absolutely,
nature
absolutely true.
Right. And there are so many other series, so many other performers, singers that focus on rags on YouTube. But in this series, we are doing both lyrics and rag together. We are doing for the first time probably unique series we have started, and hopefully we want to get similar blessings from our audience.
Absolutely,
So
and
that's for this.
and plus we are keeping nature and land as our focal point, right? So that is so amazing, very well thought out by you, Pankaj ji. So beautiful.
Thank
Yes,
you, Manoj ji. Thank
yes.
you for teaching us and performing for us live. My privilege to hear you live, but people will watch this recording and I'm sure they will be so amazed, so enthralled by your, as always, by your singing. And
Thank you. It was so
again,
much fun.
So much fun, yes.
Yes,
So
yes.
with that, I think we close this episode.
Yes,
and
yes,
we'll bring
absolutely.
the episode soon.
Yes, and
Keep listening, keep appreciating nature, and keep listening to this music. And Manoj, yes, last words.
yes, and of course, you can also look for songs based on rag and nature yourselves, because obviously we may not be able to bring for you all the songs due to lack of time. And as we used to do in our previous series, that we always used to have some homework for the listeners, right? So
Yes.
so Pankaj
Please
is a
suggest
professor,
more
so
songs.
yeah, so
Yes. So please suggest us some more songs. And
yeah,
even in
yeah,
other languages, we are so many predominantly covering Hindi songs, but there must be
correct.
many other, especially
Oh,
Manoj's
absolutely.
Marathi and Malayalam language. There are
Yes, yes,
many more.
yes. Oh, yeah,
And we'll
absolutely. There are
probably
so many
touch
of them in
upon
Marathi for
one or
sure.
two.
Yeah, yeah,
Marathi for sure. Yes.
yeah, yeah.
With that, we come to the
Yes,
end for this second
absolutely.
episode. And
Yes,
please subscribe, like our channels. Both of us
yes,
have two different channels, and we'll keep bringing more episodes.
yes,
With
yes.
that,
Thank you.
namaskar. Thank you.
Namaskar. Thank you so much. Thank you.